68 degrees and there's a slight chance it's already sprinkling. So, we have Mackenzie's umbrella that I bought her for her birthday. And I'm gonna give it to her. And now, to the cameraman! I'm getting wet because Amanda's an umbrella hog.
Yeah?
And it's kind of cold out, and I'm wet because it's raining. It's raining.
The old man is snoring. I feel like a queer. The person's looking at us weird. Okay, look at this garage.
Brandon's stealing his home.
Yes. Oh no, the camera's getting wet. Because they took down the old mill. Yeah. And it was a catastrophe. We're coming across the bridge. We'll show you the water. If you can tell that it's sprinkling, look. There. Didn't want to get the camera wet. Oh, I feel bad for you, Sven. You want to get under here?
No, I'm good.
Okay, see? There's the water. And, oh my god. It is raining outside. Like, kind of bad. Ooh, there's a big raindrop. Okay, we're gonna go. We love